Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to restore the performance information in tools, also known as Windows Experience Index panel and Control Panel. Let's get into the video. So I'd like to mention a couple things before we start the video. So number one is that I recommend you back up the registry before you start anything, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a minute. Number two, this also works on Windows 10, so it works on any version of Windows that doesn't have the Performance Information and Tools panel. And number three, we'll not be using any third-party software for this, and as the title says, we'll be doing this in Control Panel. So first thing I'm going to show you is how to back up the registry. So we're going to go to the search and we're going to type regedit, and you'll see registry editor and regedit.msc. Click that, hit enter, you'll get a user account control pop-up, click yes. And you'll need to go to the following key, hkey underscore classes underscore root backslash clsid. So once you're there, look for the folder right here, right click on it, and click export. Now of course you can export it to whoever you'd like. In this case I'll export it to the desktop and name this clsid backup, and then hit save. After that you've backed it up. And again, I'm not responsible for any damage that's been done by this, and proceed at your own risk. Next, we're going to double click on the folder that we've downloaded in the description below. Double click on the restored WEI control panel registry file. So double click on the registry file here. We're going to click yes on the user account control pop-up. It's going to say, are you sure you want to continue? Click yes. And it's going to give us an error, but that's normal, that's expected. So we're going to click OK. Then we're going to go to the pref center cpl.dll file folder here. We're going to right click on the DLL file, we're going to copy it, or if you have the Windows 10 UI, you're just going to click copy, double click on the paste here folder, right click in any open space, and click paste. It'll say you'll need administrator permission to copy to this folder, so we're going to click continue. And there you go, you can see the DLL file has been added. Now the last folder, we'll need to add the MUI file, so we'll double click on that, right click and click copy, or if you're on the Windows 10 UI, you need to right click, do show more options. Well, you don't need to since it has this UI already, and click copy. Double click on the paste here folder, right click on any empty space, and we're going to paste it. It'll say you need permission, of course, as usual, click continue. And there we go, now we've added everything. So we're going to go to the control panel now, we can type that, and you can see that performance information and tools has been added. So if you want to get to the screen, your screen may look like this in category view. So we're going to click beside view by : click category or the drop down menu and click large icons. You'll see performance information and tools, click that, and you can see that we've now successfully restored the performance information and tools panel, and now we can rate our Windows Experience Index. So I'm going to demonstrate it. Well, I'll be showing you that it works. So we're going to click rate this computer. And there we go, now it's successfully finished assessing the computer. The Windows Experience Index is now finished and has come to a base score of 3.8. But put into perspective that this is a virtual machine, and of course yours will vary because it's not the same virtual machine or even computer as mine. So this determines it by the lowest subscore, meaning the lowest score in the component stuff here. So if we were to put aside the graphics, because of course a virtual machine can't necessarily have top tier, we'd be getting a subscore of 8.6. Now, you can see here the scores are current, last update, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, that's how to successfully restore the performance information and tools Windows Experience Index panel inside a control panel. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below what you thought of this video, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.